To make a weapon, click on the Entity tool and click somewhere in the level. Then double click on it, and in this type weapon, underscore, and then the name of the weapon. You can then position it where you want to. Now if you play the game, you see the weapon is on the ground, and you can pick it up. But what if you wanted to add ammo? Well, to do that, go into the Entity tool, create a new entity, and double click on it, and then just type ammo, underscore, and the name. You'll see from the drop down that they all have different names. I'll put a link in the description to a spreadsheet which tells you which of these is for which weapon. And so for the USP, it takes 45 ACP ammo, and so you can use this. And now if you play the game again, you say there's your weapon, and then there's the ammo.